Hello guys, in this video I'll be explaining you the trade that I have taken today, and guys you'll understand how I combine the data and price action together to take the trade. And today I've taken most of the trades at the support and resistance level. I'll show you everything with the order book, time and chart. So now let's watch the video. Okay guys, and now the time is 3:28. Market is about to close. So the day was good. I hope all of you have done quite good. I made a profit of 1,11,000 today. I'll explain the trade and I'll explain the trade opportunity. So let's see this candle. It is about to close. So this is the last candle anyway. So guys, the market opened gap up today. Okay. So it gapped up, gave a small rejection. I mean small down move to Camarilla R3. This is the R3 level. From there, it just bounced. Okay, it got a very good bounce. But if you look into this, it was clearly bullish. And the reason is, see, this is the area where we got a very good rejection before. Strong rejection and again rejection from here. Again, big rejection from here. You can see here almost at the same area yesterday also. But now after the gap up, you can see a very good up move, breaking all those levels, and a 5-minute candle gave a complete close above this level. So this is the area where we should have taken a trade. But if you are reluctant to take a trade at this higher price, you can wait for the retracement to VWAP. So this is where we could have taken our first trade. So this is our first trade opportunity. As we see this candle, although it is red, I'll just show you. This is a red candle, but when you look into this setup, it is coming as purple candle. And considering the data is bullish, considering the gap up, and also this level has been broken. This was the resistance level. So this is the resistance, this was a rejection, this was the rejection. So now this should be acting as a very good support for you. So this is at VWAP level, and also this is where we should be getting a good support. So this is going to be our first trade of the day. We should be taking a call trade here because this is going to act as a very good support. So if you see my trade, let's look into the orders. This is where exactly my first trade will come. You can see here the call trade. Okay, before that I have taken two trades, both on the call side and the put side. Call I made some small profit only, but put I have made a good profit. I'll explain why I was able to do good in the put side but not in the call side, though call is also reasonably good but not that great compared to the put. Okay, so I've taken my first trade here. I hope you got the logic because this was the resistance. You can see here rejection, rejection, rejection. Now breaking out of that. So that resistance will now act as a strong support. So this should be our first trade. You don't enter here. You don't want to take risk. But this trade you should be taking at 9:30. Look at the order. So 9:35. This is my first trade. So 44,100. This is where I have entered at 286 level and I have exited at 303 level. But that strike price I've gone around 333 to 340 levels at that time. You can see here it went till 340 also. But leave it. I got whatever I want in that trade. Now, when the next trade comes, again you wait for a retracement. Why? Because the data was bullish. So if you look into this, the data is bullish, and if you see now, my condition has met 42 lakhs, 45 lakhs, 47 lakhs, 48 lakhs, and all these we are getting at these levels, right? 51, 52, so 57 is the data is good. So this is where the trend is slightly changing. But till then, my data is positive. So I'm okay to go on the call side at this level, that is still 10:30 level. So if you look into this candle, this is at 10:30. You can see here the time is 10:30. So I should be taking a trade here. Once it came to the super trend, so here super trend, here, if you see, this is 10:30, which is close to 20 EMA. So first time when it comes to 20 EMA on a trending day, now the trend is bullish. So if it comes to 20 EMA, it will take a support. So it got a support here. So this setup is allowing you to take the trade. This setup was giving you double confirmation to take a trade as it is coming close to a super trend. Remember, my super trend setting is 10-2, not the default one. Also my trending OI. the OI is, that is the data, is also supporting. So the data is supporting, this setup is supporting, this setup is confirming the trade. So I've gone on the call side at 10:30. If you see this order, I've taken a trade at 10:32. Okay. So this is the next trade. Now after that, I'll be going on the put side. You can see here clearly I'm going on the put side because this was a rejection. First time it came, it gave a rejection. Second time it came, it gave a rejection. So it made a kind of a double top for me. So I took a put trade here because I'm considering this as a double top. And this candle was massive, which was trying to break VWAP. Also, if you see the trending OI, look at this. The direction is changing. Direction is changing. 57 became 52, became 47, 44, 43, reducing. So for continuously, for next half an hour, more than put OI, call OI has been added. That is why this direction of change is there. So I decided to go on the put side. So I was able to enter a small scalping trade here till VWAP. So I've taken this trade, okay. And again, when the price came here, I've taken this trade. And if you see, these all are put trades. I've taken at 237 and sold at 245, right? All these are put trades. You can see that. Here 231, 230, 248, I got 17 points. So that is why, though, again the direction is changing, but it was tricky for 30 minutes. This is enough, right? Because if it is a trending day, see, this is the high. Next time made a higher high. But here I did not get a higher high. Instead, they made a low which is lower than this. So now it is clear that it is going to give a trending day. Also, there is a white CPR today. White CPR means we are not going to get a trending day. It will be in sideways. So from here, they are just playing this high and VWAP. So for a long time, they are just trading at that level. And if you look into this RSI from 11:30 onwards, it is actually non-tradable. From 11:30 to around this level, that is 3 o'clock, it is between 60 and 40, which is a range bound. So option buyers won't make money, only the scalpers can make money. You need to trade between this range. So, and trending OI, look at this, direction is changing like this, and then again for another 30 minutes it is positive, then another 30 minutes it is negative. So now it is going like tricky. So from here onwards it is completely turning negative. See guys, looking into this, it may be bullish, but you also need to look at this from 91 reducing to 89, 87, 84, 83, 82. So it is consistently 79, 77, 59, 45. So think about this. When something is at 94, 94 came to 46. Means there is a difference of 50 lakhs already. What is my condition? My condition is there should be a difference of 35 lakhs. So it's already satisfied. So here, although it looks positive, but already 50 lakhs wide difference came from 94. Okay. So that is how, even though it looks, the overall picture is looking bullish, but there is a big down move because we already got the clue from here itself. From 10:30 onwards, it is looking bearish. Look at this. From here itself, we got a clue that it can give a dip at any point of time. So that is why from that time onwards, I was focusing on the put trade. So if you see here, after this, from here onwards, I'm taking put trade. Only a small call trade I've taken here. After that, all these are put. I've shown you all the orders. If you want, I can refresh also. Otherwise, some people will come and tell that this is a clone app or something like that. I don't know what it is actually, whether it is available or not. And this is trending OI. This is trading view. This is my Zerodha. This is the orders. And this is the position. So I'll just refresh this. So I hope this is clear. All the orders you can see. So when you are trading, you should have a setup. And only once a setup is telling you to take a trade, you should be taking the trade. And your setup should have that edge. I know my setup is having an edge of around 80%. It is giving me a winning trade. So the trades that I have taken, if you see, I have taken a trade here, right? I know this is going to be a winning trade. I have an 80% probability to win here because this should be acting as a support. So that is my first trade. Look at this, 935. I didn't take morning trade because I know I'll get a good trade at my level. Why I didn't take a morning trade? Because it is opening here, though it just came to this level. Only if this is crossed, I'll be able to take a trade convincingly. So I have to wait. Then after breaking this, immediately I cannot chase the rally. I have to wait for the retracement. So this is where I got the best price. See here, I entered exactly at 935. This is the price. I've entered at 935. Okay. Look at this, 286. It went till 340 also. But I got whatever I want. That's the beauty. Again, the next trade I waited. I'm not trading anything here. I waited for this 1030. Look at this. Look at the buy 1032. This is where I'm buying. Okay. So it's all about waiting, our patience and our knowledge about the price action, about the data and how we combine both price action and data. And the combination of this price action and data is the result. Okay. So, okay guys, I hope you got some knowledge from this session and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.